January is coming fast, and smart publishers are gearing up for a massive buying surge where niches spike up to 400%. Most sellers miss this wave because they start too late. Today, I'm showing you a shortcut that lets you publish top-selling digital planners, journals, and templates in hours instead of weeks. Digital product creation can feel overwhelming, especially when you don't know what niche will actually make money. This new system removes the guesswork by giving you profitable niches backed by real buyer data. Stay tuned because I'll show you the entire system inside the dashboard, the upgrades, and my premium bonus bundle worth over $2,000, but only for fast action buyers. Instant Expert Niche Kit's January Jumpstart is a complete publishing system built specifically for the most profitable quarter of the year. It gives you the niches, strategy, and done-for-you planners so you can list fast and make Q1 your biggest moneymaker. It is beginner-friendly and solves the number one problem, knowing exactly what to sell. This kit is perfect for anyone who wants to sell printables, planners, journals, or books on Etsy, Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Shopify. It gives you $3 billion niches that surge in Q1: home organization, holistic and intentional living, finance, and budgeting. You get niche guides, commercial use planners, 30-day action plans, book outlines, cheat sheets, profit strategies, and more. 99% of the hard work is already done for you. Here's the members area. At the top, we have the 3 Instant Expert Profit Pack guides. Each one shows who the buyers are, what they are searching for, and what product types sell the best right now. Next, there are 9 done-for-you planners. These are professionally designed, fully editable, and come with commercial rights. You can rebrand them, customize them, and list them immediately. Then you get the planner profitability reports. These show exactly how to position each planner so it sells faster and for more money. Below that, the 30-day action plans give you daily tasks so you can publish consistently without overthinking. Finally, you get long-tail book profit plans and a quick start video so you can scale to larger passive income products.
Hi, Amy Harrop here, and I'm really excited to welcome you to Instant Expert Niche Kits January Jumpstart. This is designed to do one thing, and that is to help you make as many sales as quickly as easily as possible with the type of content people are buying in quarter one. Now, in the last end of the year, we have people who are buying a lot of gifts for other people and things like that. In the first quarter of the year, people are really turning inward, they're getting focused, they are looking for things to make their lives go smoother and easier. And we are putting that together so you can get what these people want to them as quickly and easily as possible. What's great about this, though, is it does encompass a large variety of different types of content. The 3 main niches we're focusing on here are home and organization, wellness, and finance and money management. So these cover pretty much a lot of different aspects of people's lives. But what we've done is we've put this together so you can actually tap into what people are specifically looking for. So what we're including is you get 3 complete guides on these 3 niches, and these are data driven and they're drilling down into again what people are looking for, what they're not finding out in the marketplace, and what's motivating them. And you also get very specific content and instructions on what to sell and how to sell it and where to sell it. But that's just really the tip of the icebergs as far as these go. You're also getting action plans, and you're getting basically 2 different tracks of content. You're getting the type of specialized information that you need for printables and low content types of products, and then you're also getting the types of content that you need for longer form materials like books and things along those lines. In addition to that, we're also giving you 9 done for you rebrandable planners. And these are really designed to help people take advantage of that driving focus for quarter one, which is making their life organized, making their life better, feeling better, saving money. And planners are very wide applications and fit a variety of that. Them different angles. In addition, you're also getting long tail book profit plans. These help you tap into creating longer form types of content like nonfiction books and things like that. We're giving you the types of topics, angles, and what people want. And what's great about that too is we're taking a look at the competitive landscape so you're seeing what's working out there, what isn't working, and how you can get involved so you're not having to deal with all that type of competition. And that's really what this is about. It's about allowing you to make the types of sales quickly and easily, whether you're selling planners, books, doing blogs, doing printables, doing workbooks. It's designed to cover that frenzy around quarter 1 and allowing you to take advantage of all of that low-hanging fruit. Providing a custom GPT that allows you to take any of this type of content. You simply have to upload the niche guide, for example, and it'll give you a very detailed outline. You can then expand with whatever you want to build out. So it's really an A to Z solution for making sure you make the most out of quarter 1 and really, again, taking advantage of the fact that people are there and they're ready and willing to buy. You're just giving them what they want.
There are optional upgrades you can take to speed up your success even more. Upsell 1, Canva Cashflow for $27 gives you a full template business kit. Upsell 2, Canva Cashflow Quick Start for $37 adds more templates for small business niches. Upsell 3, Popular Printables monthly membership for $19.99 per month gives you new templates and research every month so you never run out of best-selling product ideas. Each upgrade is completely optional, but they do create faster momentum. If you get Instant Expert Niche Kits January Jumpstart through the link below, you get my exclusive bonus bundle designed to help you get traffic and sales faster. Bonus 1, Q1 Digital Publishing Starter Kit. Bonus 2, Printables Profit Booster Toolkit. Bonus 3, Email Money Machine System. Bonus 4, Social Traffic Autopilot Pack. Bonus 5, Affiliate Cash Expansion Bundle. Bonus 6, Q1 Profit Playbook with niche launch roadmaps. Bonus 7, WP Slideshow Master for high-converting previews. Bonus 8, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0 for SEO dominance. Bonus 10, Power List Pro for building buyers lists with pop-ups. Bonus 10, Marketing Mini-Site Templates for done-for-you sales pages. These bonuses are only available through the link below and only for fast action buyers. Instant Expert Niche Kits January Jumpstart gives beginners and experienced publishers a real competitive advantage in the highest spending quarter of the year. No more guessing niches, no more spending weeks designing planners. You get data-backed direction and done-for-you products ready to launch. This is a limited offer. Bonuses are only available for the first 25 buyers and may be removed at any time. Click the link below right now to lock in your copy before the price goes up and before the Q1 surge hits. Hit the like button if this was helpful. Subscribe for more honest reviews and passive income tools. Once you order, simply email your receipt to the address on the bonus page to claim your premium bonus bundle. Click the link below to activate your January Jumpstart now.